Margao Judicial Magistrate on Saturday granted permissions to the advocate of Sonia Tharado to meet her client without the police being present within earshot. The arguments on the bail application filed by Sonia Tharado will come up for hearing on Monday. While the court remanded Sonia Tharado for 7 days police custody, her counsel, Advocate Radha Rao Gracious, sought to meet her client without the police being present. However, Advocate Gracious informed that Police Inspector Sunita Sawant declined to seek permission. Simultaneously, the counsel for Sonia Tharado applied to the court seeking to meet his client without the police being within earshot. The court on Saturday granted the permission to Advocate Radha Rao Gracious, the legal counsel for Sonia Tharado, to meet her without the police being present within the earshot.
The court has today permitted and directed the police officer to allow me to meet my client, and we will argue the matter on Monday, because without instruction it's difficult for me to make my submissions before the court.
Advocate Gracious also accused the government and the Home Ministry in particular for pressurizing the police in this case.
See, yesterday I had called the police officer that I would like to meet my client beyond the hearing of the police, which is the right of the accused. An accused has a right to consult his counsel at any time. But I am surprised that a senior, very senior, and with the reputation of being honest, Mrs. Sunita Sawant, did not permit me to meet my client. She insisted that I can only meet my client in her presence, and that compelled me to move today's application. See, to me, I don't think Sunita Sawant does not know the law. I'm sure she knows the law. But it shows that today even the strict and good police officers are being pressurized by the government for reasons not known to us to violate the law. This is a very serious matter. In normal course, any accused has a right to consult a lawyer without the police hearing what is being discussed. This is very well known law. But the government, I am sure the Home Ministry is pressurizing the PI not to allow such interview.
The public prosecutor Sarojini Sardina informed that arguments on the bail application would come up for hearing on Monday morning.
The case was actually fixed today for arguments on the bail application, which was moved by Mrs. Sonia Tharado. But in the open court, an application was moved on her behalf by her lawyer, whereby he sought directions from the court to direct the police to meet the accused lady separately without the presence of the police persons. Arguments were heard on this, and the Honorable Court was pleased to pass an order whereby the investigation officer was given such directions. And accordingly, the arguments on the bail application will be heard on Monday.
A judicial magistrate first class on Friday remanded Sonia Tharado to 7 days police custody. Sonia was arrested by the crime branch on Thursday evening for allegedly destroying evidence related to the death of her daughter Nadia. The lower court has also extended the police custody of former Tourism Minister Francisco Xavier Pacheco, who is the main accused in the case, by 4 days till 20th of July.